fortune, you get broken axle.
Here we go, howling, baby. Woo! Woo!
Do you want an unhappy girlfriend who hates your car so much because you're always spending money on it or it's not working properly? If that sounds like you, get yourself a Mini and modify it. So, oh my God. So the axle boot is pretty much coming off and my vibration is back worse than ever after my alignment. So, do you love chasing problems and not knowing exactly what it is? Probably not. Probably not. My thing is though, at least when something goes wrong with this thing, I can replace it and upgrade it to a better spec part so it's not gonna fail as quickly as last time. So today, we're taking the axle back out. I'm probably also going to get 2 new front wheel bearings. We'll do those as well. And then I guess we'll go from there, go for a drive and see how it feels. So, welcome back to owning a modified car. Yeah, I don't know. I'm Jody Phones though, baby. I'm the YouTube sensation. It's super annoying when you gotta take off a part that you just replaced. Not even, like what, 2 weeks ago? I don't know. Okay, I think this time what I'm gonna do, instead of taking the whole strut down and everything, I think I'm just gonna try to pop off the nut, disconnect the ball joint at the bottom here, and hopefully I can just spin this over, pop it over, and get this axle out. I don't know. I don't want to freaking take everything off if I don't have to, so let's see what we can do. Just gotta loosen this one a bit so we can drop down the dog bone mount so we can get access to the axle bolts. All right, so here you can see the boot is almost coming off. It's already leaking, so not good. Have to get it fixed again, but better to do it now than later. So now we're off to the machine shop. All right, boys. Well, joke's on me. We got the axle back. Buddy put the boot on. Nice, right? I've been thinking this shaking has been my wheel bearing. I checked this axle. I thought I checked this axle. Trying to get you guys a good view here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's moving and that's definitely not good. So this one's gotta get fixed too, unfortunately. That's my own fault for not really checking it and just looking at it thinking it was good. And considering I just got back from the shop, I don't know. I don't even know if I want to go back there today or not now. But I guess I gotta get that one out now and go see Buddy again. Maybe it's not wheel bearing after all. Maybe it was just the axle. So I'm gonna put the wheel back on for you guys just so you can hear what I'm hearing and then you can understand what's going on here. So you guys should hear this when I spin this wheel. Wheel of fortune, you get broken axle. So let's get his wheel back off, get that axle out. And I still don't know if I'm gonna take this today or not, I don't know. Honestly, it's just a bunch of bullshit. Always something. With this car, usually that's what my girlfriend would say. Maybe don't modify a car. Oh yeah. Not looking good, boys. We'll get it. All right, boys, well, another one bites the dust. Driver's side axle. Let's see if we can hear it. Not good. So that's definitely another issue. I actually said it though, like I said, I probably have to replace the other side, and here we are. So just my own fault for not, I don't know. What do you expect? My own fault for friggin' not doing it at the same time. I'm not going today. I'll tell you that right now. I'm not going today. So I'll get that fixed maybe tomorrow, and we'll keep on going. All right, boys. Well, good morning. Here we are back at the friggin' axle shop once again. Let's see if I can get a sneak peek in there and show you guys what this guy's shop looks like. It's insane. This guy's shop, this guy has like probably, oh my God, but this guy probably has like 5,000 axles in this shop. Anyhow, Utopia's here and he can fix this for me. Right, Zeus? Can you believe I'm back?
Yeah, I know.
I need to show the people your shop how crazy it is in here. I had to show them.
Oh my God.
Yeah, dude, so I thought of the wheel bearing. And then I went last night, checked the air side. You can hear the friggin' air and then give it a rattle. Yeah.
Okay.
So I was like, man, so it's not my wheel bearings. We haven't done anything to that for a while. I mean, I know you did it. You've done both of them, right?
All right. Okay.
Look at this guy's shop.
This one?
Yeah, I could leave it.
So you're doing your YouTube thing, eh?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely.
And then, yeah, I got this nice camera.
Yeah.
But yeah, I wanted to show the guy at the shop that, like, man, this guy has like 1,000,000 axles in here.
Yeah. We do all OEM stuff, and yeah, we do good stuff. Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
A lot of racing. I just did the aerial Adam for Road Sport Honda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh my God, yeah, beautiful. I enjoy it.
For sure.
I love working with you guys, man. It's amazing.
Yeah.
The thing is, you do something, it work. It's enjoyable. It's so enjoyable.
Mm-hmm.
It has no words for it.
For sure.
Just do it and do it right.
Yeah, for sure.
And guys like yourself, man, it's amazing, man. These guys will come and tell you, man, you did my shop for 5 years. I get so much laps. I'm so happy with it. Bro, like, holy shit, 5 years, you should be coming back to do something, man.
Yeah, for sure.
But I mean, it's good to hear that.
Yeah.
Thanks for doing this.
I appreciate it,
You're
man.
amazing, man. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
All right.
I mean, you're the only guy I come to.
Yeah.
I wouldn't come to anywhere else. I can't.
You know what?
I don't think I can go anywhere else.
You know what? You said that, and it makes my work even more enjoyable.
For sure. Yeah.
It does.
All right, dude.
All right, brother.
I'll talk to you in a bit.
Cheers.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty, boys, we are back from the shop. Look at this beauty. Come on now. How nice is that? See what I'm saying? This guy hooks it up. So let's throw these bad bitches back in, go for a drive, and hopefully no more shakiness. All right, boys, to make my life easier, I got this piece of tire wire here that I'm gonna put through here and then hold the caliper over to as far right as I can get it, just so I can get the axle in there easier, right? Friggin' bam, bam, you can hear the Civic driving by. All right, hopefully this goes in nice and easy. I've had this axle go in and I go for a drive and it pops right back out. So hopefully we can get this in there first shot. It's always a pain, I tell you, this one. This one's always a fucking bitch. Alrighty. Seems like it's in. Nice, boys. There she is. Really doesn't take that long to replace an axle, to be honest. As long as you know what you're doing. Eventually you get so good you don't even need to look at what you're doing. That's how many times I've worked on this friggin' car, boys. This one is so goddamn long. Actually quite a pain in the ass. Finally got it in. Oh, I went too far. Now the only annoying thing, I gotta lower the car just so I can torque the axle bolt down and then raise the car back up. 1-800 number, I don't know who the hell you are. Don't be calling me. Oh, I guess it would help if the e-brake was on. You guys might be wondering why I gotta jack the car back up, but I have to bend over the axle nut into that little groove in there. I don't want to do it with the rim on, so now I gotta take it back off after it's torqued down. So just a bunch of friggin' nonsense and bullshit and repetitiveness. We're almost there though, boys, and then we can go for a drive, so a couple more minutes. Buddy wants to race or what? For years I've been dealing with this shaky steering wheel, and after the alignment, the rims getting fixed from all the bends, and the frame brand new axles, this thing is driving like a dream. It's literally driving like it should have for the past 3 years, but I just had so many issues with it, and the bent rims, which I didn't know they were bent. So to be able to drive this with one finger is an absolute dream, and it's not even shaker. But anyhow, boys, we are off to go see the boys. Us boys are going to go see the boys. We're going to go see Josh, John, and we're going to go see our buddy Corey, and we're going to go chop down a fucking tree. So let's see what's popping. Just showed up. What are these bumbleclots doing back there? Nah, I don't know. Johnny's little WRX. Jeez. Got Brownie's little X3. And then Josh's Durango. That's sick. Hello, my girl. How are you? How are you, my girl? Hey, Rugi. Oh my goodness. What are you doing, Ruger? Hi, buddy. What's going on? Oh my goodness. So, here I am.
Welcome. There's a chance that he doesn't care. But he's here, responsibly.
What up?
What up, G?
What up?
Why run?
What up? Alright, I come bless him with some gifts.
How's it going? What's up?
Is this the Corey?
This is he.
Holy fuck.
Living the life, my dude. Nice to meet you, man.
What up, Jody?
Jody, nice to meet you.
Jody.
What up, Jody?
Don't hit my arm, you bastard. You
Oh, that's true. Yeah, fuck.
You're
Still healing.
Dude, my mom did that this morning. She's like, good. Smacks my arm, bro. I was like,
Oh, really?
Like,
yeah,
hold it
dude.
in,
She
yeah.
forgot. I was like, oh, man.
You see the fucking mark from that guy catching air yesterday?
No, I didn't look.
You ate shit.
Nice.
He fucking did a number. I didn't see the tree until this morning. I didn't even see.
You smoked the tree too?
You fucking
Oh yeah, the tree's got no bark left on it.
Holy fuck, eh?
There was bark yesterday.
Hey buddy, no bark.
Woke up this morning, no bark.
So if I had to guess, he came across, hit the ditch, into the person's driveway, went up, and then started coming nose down, and then hit the fucking tree, and then just like tipped on his roof or something. I don't know.
Damn.
But they were there for a long time.
Buddy, he was probably cooking like 80 at least, and then he just friggin' swerved from that far lane all the way over to your friggin' house.
Sure.
Buddy, you're lucky he fucking didn't just like somehow skip the ditch and come into the house. Blow right through the friggin' front there? Yeah.
He blew through the front of that house. I think my brother would be happy.
Well, yeah, he would be. He would be. What fucking tree you taking down here? John, this one right here? You doing this little one right here?
So Corey is on the tree as we down to the final branch. He's down to the final branches, and as you can see, absolute textbook work here. This dude is cutting her low and letting her go, folks. Getting out to the main branch here. I'm guessing he's going to go in with a little wedgeroni. As you can see, the little wedge drops, puck drops. Here comes the wedge. We're going to watch this top flop, baby. Here we go, howling, baby. Woo-hoo! Yee-haw! An absolute textbook wedge. Let me tell you that, folks.
Sound.